Hello, travelers. Well, you know what they say. It's the little things in life that make the biggest difference. Well, when it comes to travel, that couldn't be more true. Because sometimes it's not the plane ticket or the luxury hotel that changes your whole experience. It's the tiny, everyday items in your backpack that can totally level up your journey. Today, I'm breaking down travel essentials so small they could fit in your palm, but so powerful they might just change the way you travel forever. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button if you crave wanderlust in your veins, and share your favorite tiny travel hack in the comments. Who knows? It might just make someone else's next trip unforgettable. All right, let's get into it. Let's be honest, when we're planning a trip, our minds go straight to the big stuff. Passport? Check. Phone? Obviously. Charger? Can't forget that. But what if I told you the real game changers aren't the things we always remember, but the things we usually forget? Here are 8 tiny travel heroes you'll never want to leave behind again. The foldable water bottle. Hydration without the bulk. You're hiking through a national park. Breathtaking views, cool breeze, but suddenly you're thirsty. You reach for your water bottle, but oh wait, you didn't bring it. Too bulky. Sound familiar? Enter the collapsible water bottle. Folds down when empty, saves space, and keeps you hydrated. Lightweight, refillable, and better for the planet. Win-win-win. Tiny? Yes. Life-changing? Absolutely. Universal travel adapter. One plug to rule them. You finally arrive at your Airbnb in Paris, jet-lagged. You pull out your phone to text your mom that you made it safe, but your plug doesn't fit. Cue panic. A universal travel adapter is the unsung hero of every global explorer. With this one item, you're ready for outlets in over 150 countries. One adapter, endless power. Trust me, you'll never want to travel without it again. The packing cubes, small bags, major organization. Let me ask you this. Have you ever opened your suitcase and it looked like a tornado hit your closet? Packing cubes fix that. They keep your clothes organized, compressed, and easy to grab. One for shirts, one for socks, one for whatever you want. It's like having drawers inside your suitcase. And once you try them, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without them. The portable luggage scale. Avoid airport anxiety. You're standing at the check-in counter. You lift your bag onto the scale. 26.7 kilos. Your heart sinks. You either pay the fee or repack your underwear in front of 40 strangers. Sound fun? Didn't think so. That's where a mini luggage scale becomes a lifesaver. It's smaller than your phone and saves you from airline drama. Peace of mind? That's worth its weight in gold. The mini first aid kit. Prepared for the unexpected. Travel is about the unknown, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't be prepared. A compact first aid kit with the basics, Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relief, is all you need to feel ready for whatever. A scraped knee on a rocky hike, a headache in a stuffy train, this tiny kit becomes your best friend. It's not about paranoia, it's about confidence. The microfiber towel. Dry fast, pack light. Let's talk about the towel nobody tells you to pack. Hotels have them, hostels might. Beaches? That's another story. A microfiber towel is thin, quick-drying, lightweight, and rolls up tighter than a burrito. Needed after a dip in a hidden waterfall? Done. Spontaneous beach stop? You're covered. Literally. This one's a total underdog, but once you've used it, you'll pack it on every trip. The compact power bank. never lose power or momentum. You're capturing the perfect sunset, and your phone dies. Gone, just like that. A tiny, high-capacity power bank can save the day and your memories. Whether you're navigating with GPS or recording that epic scooter ride in Bali, your power bank is your quiet, loyal backup. Because running out of battery in a new city, not part of the adventure. The noise-canceling earplugs. Peace in your pocket. We all love the idea of sleeping on a plane until the baby 3 rows back starts crying for 8 hours straight. Enter noise-canceling earplugs. These tiny wonders help you sleep on planes, trains, and in hostels with mystery snorers. They're not just for silence, they're for sanity. So, here's the truth. Travel doesn't have to be complicated. It's not always about the fanciest gear or the flashiest destinations. Sometimes, it's the smallest things, the ones that fit in the corner of your bag, that make the trip smoother, safer, and just plain better. These essentials, they won't take up space, but they will make space for more comfort, more freedom, and more unforgettable memories. And that might just change how you travel forever. So tell me this, what's your must-have tiny travel essential? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to know. And if this gave you even one new idea, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more travel tips, motivation, and hacks to make your journeys epic. Because life's short, the world's wide, and your next adventure, it's waiting.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Wait,